Floofy, are you ready to go to sleep?
Yes, I am, Miss Eno. But before I go to sleep, can you please tell me a fun fact?
Fun fact about what, Floofy?
Fun fact about mm, fun fact about an elephant.
Oh, an elephant? Let's see. Elephants are the only animals that cannot jump.
Can jump,
Yeah, they can't jump.
Miss Eno. Can I jump?
Floofy, of course you can jump, but right now it's time to go to sleep.
Okay, Miss Eno. Can you please read me a bedtime story?
Of course I can, Floofy. Let's read Llama, Llama, Time to Share. Yay! Llama, Llama, Time to Share by Anna Dewdney.
Look, Miss Eno, that's little llama.
Yes, Floofy, that is Little Llama. And what is this over here?
Oh, it's a train and an airplane and that's a choo-choo train.
Floofy, do you know what kind of sound a choo-choo train makes?
Choo choo, choo choo, choo choo.
Yes, Floofy. Look, do you remember who this is?
Yes, yes, it's Fuzzy Llama.
Yes, Floofy, that is Fuzzy Llama. Llama, llama, playing trains, driving trucks, and flying planes. Someone's at the door. Who is it? Brand new neighbors come to visit.
Isn't that Mama Llama, Miss Eno?
Yes, Floofy, that is Mama Llama. Llama, this is Nellie New. Look! She has a dolly too. Mrs. New, would you like tea? Come and have a cup with me. You two kids can play in there, and Llama, don't forget to share. Floofy, do you like to share?
Mm, sometimes.
Okay, Floofy. Trains and trucks and puzzles too. What's the new girl want to do? Play with kitchen, build with blocks. Llama opens up his box. Nellie starts to build a town. Llama, llama starts to frown. Nellie New makes walls and stairs. Llama watches from a chair.
Miss Eno, why does the llama look so sad?
I think it's a little bit hard for him to share his toys with Nellie New. Maybe that is why he is so sad. Nellie stacks the blocks up high. Fuzzy Llama wants to try. It's a castle, make it tall. Fuzzy Llama jumps the wall.
Yay! Jump, jump, jump!
Floofy, build a tower, make a moat. Nellie's dolly rows a boat. What can Llama add? Maybe sharing's not so bad. Little baby New makes noise. Mrs. New gets jingly toys. Baby screams and kicks his feet. Mama thinks it's time to eat. Moms are talking, baby's chewing. Where's that new girl? What's she doing?
What is she doing, Miss Eno?
I don't know, Floofy. Let's find out. Oh, disaster! Dolly drama! Nellie New has Fuzzy Llama? What? Yeah, she has Fuzzy Llama! He's not hers. This isn't fair. Llama doesn't like to share. Oh no, Floofy!
Oh no!
They broke! Floofy, they broke the arm of Fuzzy Llama!
Oh no!
Yes! Oh no! Look! Fuzzy Llama doesn't have an arm!
Oh no, Miss Eno!
Fuzzy Llama ripped in two, all because of Nellie New! It's a llama emergency! Mama, fix his arm for me! Oh, look, Floofy! Mama Llama is stitching the arm of Fuzzy Llama. A bit of thread and good as new, but this is what we are going to do. I'll put Fuzzy on the stairs until you're sure that you can share. Nellie, sorry, Llama too. It's time for something else to do. Maybe tractors, maybe not. Like to dress up? Not a lot. Let's play kitchen, make a cake. Nellie mixes, Llama bakes.
Miss Eno, I really love cakes too.
Really, Floofy, you love cakes?
Yes, yes, I do.
Look, our fancy cake is done. What would make this game more fun? Fuzzy Llama on the stairs. Llama thinks it's time to share.
Oh, look, Miss Eno, that's Fuzzy Llama again.
Yes, that's Fuzzy Llama, and little llama is ready to share.
Yay!
Playtime's over. It's the end. But Llama has a brand new friend. Nellie will be back and then Llama wants to share again. Good night, Floofy.